Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students, making to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. For the latest lesson 43, it's about understanding dump trucks as hydraulic systems. Okay, dump trucks as hydraulic systems. A dump truck is a vehicle used to transport loose materials like sand, gravel, or soil. It uses a hydraulic system to lift and tilt the truck bed so that the materials can slide out easily. So that's the illustration of a dump truck. How the hydraulic system works on dump trucks. Number one, hydraulic cylinder. The truck has a large hydraulic cylinder connected between the truck frame and the dump bed. And number two, pressurized fluid. When the hydraulic pump pushes oil or fluid onto the cylinder, the pressure builds up. Number three, lifting action. This pressure forces the piston to extend, raising the dump held at an angle. And number four, controlled movement. The operator controls the movement using bulbs and switches to raise or lower the bed smoothly and safely. Physics principles involved. Pascal's triangle. Pressure applied in a fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. This allows a small input force to lift a heavy load. Formula P is equals to F over A. And of course, from that formula using cross multiplication, F is equal to PA. A small force applied over a small area like a control valve can create a large force on a bigger piston, the hydraulic cylinder. Why use hydraulics in dump trucks? To lift heavy loads easily, to operate smoothly and safely, to control the speed and angle of dumping, and to reduce manual labor. Imagine dumping a pile of sand for a road project instead of using many workers with shovels, and the hydraulic system in the dump truck lifts the bed and unloads the entire load in seconds. The practice problems. Number one, a hydraulic cylinder in dump truck has a piston with an area of 0.05 meters squared. If the hydraulic fluid applies a pressure of 4,000 pascal, how much force is exerted by the fluid to lift the dump bed? Given pressure 4,000 pascals, area zero point 0.5 meters squared, required the force exerted by the hydraulic fluid. Use the formula F is equals to P times A, substitute the given data, and the final answer is 2,000 Newton. Number 2. A dump truck lifts its bed using a hydraulic piston. The force required to lift the bed is 15,000 Newton, and the piston area is 0.75 meters squared. What is the pressure needed in the hydraulic lift? Given 15,000 Newton, area 0.75 meters squared, required the pressure needed in the hydraulic fluid. Use the formula P is equals to F over A, substitute the given data, and the final answer is 20,000 Pascal. And then number 3, a dump truck operator wants to lift a load of sand that weighs 10,000 Newton. If the pressure available in the hydraulic system is 5,000 Pascal, what should be the minimum area of the piston to lift the load? So given force 10,000 Newton, pressure 5,000 Pascal, required area of the piston. Use the formula A is equals to F over P and substitute the given data. The final answer is 2 meters squared. Number 4. A hydraulic system applies a pressure of 6,000 pascals and leave a dump bed with a 0.4 meter squared piston. If the piston travels 0.2 meter upward, how much work is done by the hydraulic fluid? Given pressure 6,000 pascal, area 0.4 meter squared, distance moved 0.2 meter, required the work done. First, obtain the value of F using the formula F is equals to P times A. Substitute the given data and you will get 2,400 Newton. Afterwards, use the formula of work. W is equals to force times distance. Substitute the calculated data and the given data. The final answer is 480 joules. Number 5. A dump truck's hydraulic system has a small input piston with an area of 0.01 meters squared. A force of 300 Newton is applied to the input piston. What is the pressure transmitted to the larger output piston? Given input force 300 Newton, input area 0.01 meters squared, required the pressure transmitted. Use the formula P is equals to F over A. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 30,000 pascals. Okay, number 6. If the larger piston in the dump truck has an area of 0.5 meters squared and the system receives 3,000 pascal of pressure, how much force will be exerted on the dump bed? Given pressure 3,000 pascals, area 0.5 meters squared, required F. Use the formula F is equals to Fp times A. Substitute the given data and the final answer is 1,500 Newton. Number 7. A dump truck operator lifts the bed using a hydraulic system and the force applied on the small piston is 250 Newton over an area of 0.02 meters squared. What is the pressure created and how much would this pressure affect a larger piston with an area of 0.5 meters squared? Given small piston force 250 Newton, small piston area 0.02 meters squared, large piston area 0.5 squared. We are asked to obtain the pressure in the system and the force on the larger system. So therefore, for letter A, use the formula P is equals to FA. Substitute the given data, the final answer is 12,500 Pascal. And to get the force, F is equals to P times A. Substitute the calculated data and the given data. The final answer for pressure is 12,500 pascals. And letter B, force on the large piston is 6,250 Newton. Number 8, the dump truck hydraulic cylinder raises the bed in 10 seconds, doing a total work of 12,000 joules. What is the average power used by the hydraulic system? Given work 12,000 joules time 10 seconds, require the power used by the hydraulic system. Use the formula P is equal to work over time. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 1,200 watts. Number 9. A piston with an area of 0.6 meters squared is used to lift a load of 18,000 newton. In a dump truck, what pressure must be applied by the hydraulic system given force 18,000 newton, area zero point 0.6 meters squared, required pressure? Use the formula P is equals to F over A. Substitute the given data, and the final answer is 30,000 Pascal. Number 10. The hydraulic system of a dump truck moves fluid through a distance of 0.3 meter with a force of 8,000 newton. How much work is done by the fluid? Given force 8,000 newton, distance 0.3 meter, work done is the unknown. Use the formula W is equals to FD. Substitute the given data, and the work done is 2,400 joules. MCQ for today's lesson 43. Number 1. A hydraulic system in a dump truck applies 2,000 newton of force over a piston area of 0.5 meters squared. What is the pressure exerted by the fluid? A. 1,000 pascals. B. 2,500 pascals. Letter C. 4,000 pascals. Letter D. 5,000 pascals. Number 2. The hydraulic piston of a dump truck moves zero point 0.2 meters while applying 6,000 newton of force. How much work is done? Letter A, 1,200 joules. Letter B, 1,800 joules. Letter C, 2,400 joules. Letter D, 3,000 joules. Number 3. A technician applies a pressure of 10,000 Pascal to a hydraulic cylinder with a piston area of 0.3 meters squared. What force is exerted? Letter A, 3,000 newton. B, 5,000 newton. C, 7,000 newton. D, 9,000 newton. Number 4. A hydraulic lift uses an input force of 300 newton over a piston area of 0.02 meters squared. What is the pressure transmitted in the fluid? Letter A, 6,000 pascals. Letter B, 12,000 pascals. Letter C, 15,000 pascals. Letter D, 18,000 pascals. Number 5. A dump truck hydraulic system has a large piston area of 0.6 meters squared. If the fluid pressure is 20,000 pascal, how much lifting force is applied? Letter A, 10,000 newton. Letter B, 12,000 newton. C, 15,000 newton. D, 20,000 newton. Number 6. If a small piston has an area of 0.01 meters squared and receive a force of 150 newton, what pressure does it generate? Letter A, 1,500 Pascal. Letter B, 3,000 Pascal. Letter C, 5,000 Pascal. Letter D, 15,000 Pascal. Number 7. What is the power output of a hydraulic system that does 3,000 joules of work in 5 seconds? Letter A, 400 watts. Letter B, 500 watts. Letter C, 600 watts. Letter D, 700 watts. Number 8. Hydraulic piston applies 10,000 newton of force and moves zero point 0.5 meters. How much work is done? Letter A, 5,000 joules. Letter B, 10,000 joules. Letter C, 15,000 joules. Letter D, 20,000 joules. Number 9. Which variable would you increase to get more output force in a dump truck hydraulic system if pressure is constant? Letter A, piston diameter. Letter B, fluid density. Letter C, piston area. Letter D, cylinder height. Number 10. Which best describes the advantage of using a hydraulic system in dump trucks? A, converts light energy into energy. Letter B, reduces the truck's weight. Letter C, multiplies force using fluid pressure. Letter D, changes heat into motion. And the answer key, please proceed to lesson number 44. The answer key for lesson is this one. Okay? And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. See you in our next meeting. Thank you, everyone.